So I had Mr. Harvey to stop by. Again, this room, we were initially going to wallpaper it. And we left this portion over here to show you the technique that they had used to wallpaper. In 3 different layers of wallpaper, plus the little strip of cloth over the joints. I'm still going to glass that in. But now that we were able to pretty much grind down a lot of the old oxidized wood and soot and the dirt off of it, and able to reveal some of the colors of the wood, we're going to go ahead with just putting a couple coats of polyurethane on this and letting it be as it is in its natural state. Now, it's not going to be smooth and like a plain piece of wood. I'm going to leave where you can see some of the rip marks from the sawing, the cutting of the timber in the first place. But we have ground down where it would hurt your hand, or like give you a splinter. And I think with a couple coats of polyurethane over that, you do some sanding in between the two. I'm still gonna have it where you can see some of the roughness, but it won't necessarily be rough to touch, but it's not gonna be smooth to the touch. To show you, let you feel that texture, because it was definitely rougher than what it is now to allow that paper to adhere to it. That's and hearing myself say that, a lot of wallpaper people tell me you had to have a absolute smooth surface for it to bind to. There's nothing smooth about that, and somehow they made it work. But everybody kept telling me so many things and just scared the heck out of me. I said, well, let me see if we could do something else. And I bought what is that? I forgot the name of it. It's a textured wallpaper that you can paint. And I cannot think of it now. I'm gonna show it to you when it gets in. But we're gonna send that over to the other room, the blue room, and I'm gonna leave this as it is. So hopefully, I had some hardwood guys in here earlier today, and they didn't say anything I liked. So hopefully they'll come back after they had a chance to go home and think about it and see if they actually want to be a part of this project. Figure it out. So I'm gonna do some touching up, and then it's about 5 o'clock and head on home. I have a lot to do tomorrow.